All right, how's everybody doing today? Today we're just doing a little video. We got the Chapo Muchacho 1.0 and 2.0, and we're going to do a little walkthrough video, walking through both of them. One of them's more rustic and one of them's more modern, but they got the exact same dimensions, which is a 14 by 40 livable with a 6 foot by 40 foot porch. One of them's built more rustic, like you can see here with the wood, 4 by 6 timber stack, and then the other one's got more of a 2 by 6 modern exterior stud framing with the black board and bat metal siding on it. So one of them's more modern and one of them's more rustic. This one again got a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. Let's take you inside this baby right here. So you walk inside and it's like an open concept. Got your kitchenette that's gonna go right there. You got your living room over there. Beautiful structure. You can smell that pine in here. It smells amazing. Wish I had smell-o-vision. Over here you put your stove. Put you a sink right here. You can see we're getting ready to install that sink. Put you a refrigerator in that little nook. Maybe some more cabinets up top. And again, a lot of people ask, can you paint these? Yes, you can. But a lot of people leave that natural knotty pine. Look at them floors. Absolutely beautiful. Now, both the El Chapo 1.0 and 2.0 I got on my lot right now. Both of them are, again, like I said, 560 square feet, and both of them are 2-bedroom, 1-bath setups, okay? So as you go down here, you got 2 windows here in the hallway. You got a spot here where your tub, toilet, and sink is gonna go, which makes a lot of sense, right? Because this is where all your plumbing is gonna come for your kitchen. And then as you go to the back, you got bedroom number 1, and then you see we got these barn doors on them. So you got the barn door set up. So you got that set up, and then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master here at the end. So again, 2-bed, 1-bath setup. This one can easily accommodate a queen size bed or smaller. And remember, we can always adjust this floor plan to accommodate a king size bed as well by just moving the floor plan around a little bit. Because remember, when you order these cabins, we can make them to order just for you. Okay, so keep that in mind. So there you go. So again, set it up any way you want. We can make it a 1-bed, 1-bath. We can make it a 2-bed, 1-bath. But again, everything you need, nothing you don't. You got your double pane windows, vinyl, easy clean. And if you buy this cabin just the way you see it here, which of course doesn't come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, or the appliances, is $69,900. But let's say you want it fully turnkey with everything in it. This one's 110 grand, 110. And again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. This is our rustic cabin. Okay, so let's go next door, and we're doing a little comparison video. I'm gonna take you next door and show you the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. There goes my phone. I'll have to call them back. So let's go next door and show you that one. It's here towards the end of the day, so I don't know if they still got it open, but let's hope they do. Okay, so let's make our way in again. As you can see, one of them's rustic and one of them's more modern. Again, same size, but just one's more rustic and one's built more modern. Again, you got that black board and bat metal siding with that cedar trim, and then you got the cedar and pine posts. Let's see if we can get in here real quick. Yep, they got the door open, good. So again, this got that Scandinavian style to it. 6 foot by 40 foot porch, board and batten metal siding. You got Anderson windows on here. That's what the back side of it looks like. All right, guys, let's say you're looking for a beautiful cabin, but you just want something that's only $45,000. This is the one we call the Carrot Top. Beautiful cabin. It's an all-wood cabin with a tin roof, 26-gauge metal roof. You got your double pane vinyl windows, easy clean. This one here, like I said, has got the 6-foot by 28-foot front porch. It's a 14 by 28 livable. So with the porch open, you're 20 by 28 with the porch open. It's just a simple little cabin. Let me show you inside real quick. Like I said, this one's only $45,000, so it don't take but a second to walk through it here. Open up the front door, and bam. Straight ahead, you got your kitchen, the old kitchenette area there. Really nice size open concept living room. You got them beams up there. Isn't that pretty? Got them beautiful knotty pine floors. And then when you turn around this way and look over that way, you got your little bedroom there, which we can frame that out if you want us to close it off. You got a storage nook up top there, like a loft. That's where your bathroom's gonna go. And then you got a little nook over here where you put your little closet. So again, this one is only $45,000 as is. Let me step back so you can see it in all its glory. It's called the Carrot Top. Very popular cabin. Again, just $45,000 as is, or you can go smaller. We can do different sizes, but this one here is a 14 by 28, like I said, just like you see it, for 45 grand, or we can put electric, plumbing, heating, coolant, tubs, toilets, and sinks in, make it turnkey for $60,000. Give us a call today, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Getting beautiful cabinets. And this is the one we got called the Carrot Top. Okay, this is just a little walkthrough video. Let me show you the outside of it again real quick. And then I know y'all are busy, so I'll let y'all go after this. Here you go. It's got a 26-gauge metal roof on it. We call it Carrot Top because it got an orange roof on it. This one is available for sale off the lot. 45 grand, let's get it done, plus shipping and setup. Or we can do one custom for you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, share, and follow. Appreciate you watching my content. Link is in the bio. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com. All right, guys, we got a new one on the lot. We call this one the Rocky Balboa because this one will knock you out. The Rocky Balboa. Beautiful structure here, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We can do this one on a trailer, or we can do it off a trailer. As you can see, this one is built on a trailer as a park model, RVIA certified. Again, what I love about this one is you got that beautiful board and batten kind of metal siding with that tongue and groove pine on the facing, and you see the ridge got the LED lights and all that on the roof. Isn't that pretty? I love this kind of Scandinavian Nordic look. The dimensions on this one is 13 by this one is 13 by, I think what they say it was 37. 13 by 37 I think is what this one is. Yeah, 13 by 37. And you can look at the exact dimensions on the website. And let me go ahead and take you inside this one real quick. I don't have a lot of time today because I got some customers coming to my lot to talk to me about a couple of things. So let's walk in here and show you this one real fast. So right when you walk in, again, you got the pretty dark floors. You got the white birch walls. That ain't sheetrock, y'all. That's real birch wood painted white. And then you got the dark ceiling, which I love, okay? I love that contrast where you got the black windows. By the way, these are Anderson windows, okay? Those are black Anderson windows. So you got like a little living room area here. There's your Bosch mini split, okay? And then you got one bedroom over here, okay? Which you can easily fit a twin or a full bed in here. Or you could do a bunk bed, like a twin bunk bed, or one of them bunk beds where you got the full size one on the bottom and then the twin on top. And again, you got your, look at this, got your pocket doors for privacy. Open those up and it opens up into your full kitchen. So you got your electric stove. Obviously, you got your refrigerator right over there. and you're ready to roll. Okay, so you're ready to roll there. You got some little shelving. Okay, we got some people here wanting to get in this one, so let me hurry up. Here in the bathroom, we haven't put the little thing on top of the commode yet. I still got the blue tape on it, so I'm getting ready to put that on there. But I was in a hurry to kind of film this for y'all real quick. There you go, you got your full shower here. I'm just doing a quick video. I'll do a more in-depth one later. Stackable, washer and dryer with more cabinet space up top. And then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom over here. Got your little fan. Again, I love all that lighting coming in. You got that shed roof. There's your other mini split with the remote control. All kinds of natural light coming in. Again, this is just a quick tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour later. But right now, I got people wanting to get in here to see this one. So let me get out of their way. I know y'all want to get in, so let me let y'all in real quick. Y'all go ahead. And this is what the outside looks like over here. So there you go. There you go over here. And isn't that pretty? So again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. Again, this is the one I call the Rocky Balboa. You can buy it as it is for $119,900. Again, you can have it built on a trailer or off. It's up to you. And if you want different color metal siding, we can do that. Just let us know what color you want. We can make it happen. This is the back side of it. And you got your Bosch mini split right over here on this side of it, powering the 2 heads on the inside. All right, let me walk around the big Bertha here and show you what the front of that looks like again from another angle. Show you what that looks like. So yeah, that's what the front of it looks like over that way. Again, we call this one the Rocky Balboa. So if you like it just the way you see it, give us a call. Of course, you can make modifications to make it your own. These are built by the Amish and the Mennonites, and we ship them nationwide. You're also welcome to come down to the lot like these fine folks are doing here and walk through it yourself if you want to come see it in person. We're located at 677 South Cardinal Lane here in Scottsburg, Indiana. But of course, we ship them nationwide. All right, y'all. Give us a call. Let's get you a pretty cabin on your land again. This is the one we call the Rocky Balboa Park Model RV. You can find it on the website at AmishBuiltCabins.com. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and follow so you don't miss any of my future content. Y'all be blessed. Come back and see me now. And again, my phone number is 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Y'all take care.